there about 1 o'clock on the right. There's two types of sails here. We have the common harbour sails and then we have the grey sails. The common harbour sails is the nice ones with the June, whereas the grey sails don't pop until October, November. But you'll see many sails all around this. If you go for a walk along the coastline, quite often the heads will pop up and they'll follow you as you walk. They'll follow you along the coastline to our next partner, and it leaves the male bird to hatch out the chicks. And apparently if you get close enough to them, then they go around in a little circle. So that's the right-necked fowl. In this area you'll see lots of stone walls. This is because there's a quarry quite nearby. And the square enclosures are what we call planticrops. Again, a couple of Shetland ponies over there on the right. And lots of little ruins in this area. And why there's so many stone walls here, this would have been when they had the crofts down near the roadway here.